The Deputy Speaker, Raymond Democrito Mendoza, recognized.
Shukran, daghang salamat, Mr. Speaker. Today I rise in the matter of personal and collective privilege to commend the Bangsamoro Autonomous Region in Muslim Mindanao for passing the Bangsamoro. I'm very and extremely happy. The Bangsamoro Labor Employment Code of 2025, approved on the third and final reading by the Bangsamoro Parliament on November 12, 2025. This is indeed a culmination of many years of advocacy work and legislative collaboration together with TUCP, with our brothers and sisters in Bangsamoro, which began with our sponsorship towards the passage of Bangsamoro Organic Law, which sought to address regional problems, both historical, modern, principally born out of conflict fueled by joblessness, poverty, and underdevelopment. Mr. Speaker, we express our deepest gratitude to Bangsamoro Chief Minister Abdul Rauf Makakua for certifying this measure as urgent, and Lord Member MP, Member of Parliament Romeo Sema for authoring this landmark legislation. Its passage affirms the promise of Bangsamoro for sustainable and inclusive jobs, justice, and equity, fulfilling that is enshrined in Section 10 on the rights of labor under Article 9 of the Bangsamoro Organic Law, which empowers that the Parliament to pass labor laws that expand and enhance these rights. Instead of simply adopting the Philippine Labor Code as one-size-fits-all solution to the complex issues of labor, employment in Bangsamoro, the Bangsamoro Parliament pursued meaningful self-governance. The Bangsamoro Labor Code and Employment, or Bangsamoro Labor and Employment Code, strengthens the security of tenure as the norm, protects freedom of association from employer interference, and safeguards the most valuable, such as our persons with disabilities, the elderly, and those in the informal economy. It respects the religious and cultural rights of Bangsamoro workers, recognizes their right to disconnect after work, and ensures safer workplaces free of violence and harassment. Mr. Speaker, dear colleagues, this legislation is a declaration that workers are our partners in nation building, and a recognition when labor rights are protected and promoted, sustainable businesses, investments, and opportunities flourish. Together, let us celebrate this milestone and may this more progressive Bangsamoro Labor Employment Code pave the way to a more progressive Bangsamoro. Daghang salamat. Shukran, Mr. Speaker.
Thank you, Deputy Speaker Mendoza. Majority Leader.
Mr. Speaker, I move to refer the speech of the Honorable Raymond Democrito Mendoza to the Committee on Rules for its appropriate action.
Is there any objection? Hearing none, the speech of Honorable Mendoza is referred to the Committee on Rules for its appropriate action.